How much does roof cleaning actually cost in Oxfordshire in 2025? If you're a homeowner in Oxfordshire, this year's big question is, how much does roof cleaning actually cost in Oxfordshire in 2025? You've probably noticed moss or algae growing on your roof. It's a common problem. Left untreated though, it can lead to damage, blocked gutters, and costly repairs. So roof cleaning becomes essential. But naturally, one of the first questions people ask is, how much does roof cleaning actually cost? To help you decide, here's a clear breakdown of what affects the price, what's included, and what to watch out for when comparing companies. What does it typically cost? Across Oxfordshire, most residential roof cleans tend to fall between $1,250 and $2,400. Of course, that range depends on several factors. It includes standard access, moderate moss coverage, and average-sized homes. For example, a 3-bed semi with light moss might cost around $1,250, $1,500. A 4-bed detached could come in closer to $1,750, $1,950. A larger property or one with difficult access may reach $3,400 While those numbers offer a ballpark, every roof is different. That's why we always provide 2 tailored options. On our home assessment with a handwritten quote, not an estimate, a quote. Alfresco will always come out to complete a home assessment. What factors influence the price? Several key things affect the cost of roof cleaning. 1. Size of the roof. Larger roofs take more time and more treatment solution. Some roofs have a single up and over side, some may have been extended, dormer windows with tiled roofs, valleys, etc. This is why the home assessment is so important. 2. Level of moss. We assess every roof using a 5-level system. The more growth, the longer it takes to remove. Level 1 may only require an application of soft wash, and level 5 almost needs digging off. 3. Access to the roof. Some roofs are easy to reach. Others may require cherry pickers, scaffold towers, or even tracked spider lifts. Our in-house MZ250 that has been updated in the summer of 25 reaches most of the roof cleans we undertake. 4. Roof materials: slate, clay tiles, concrete. Each requires a different approach and pressure setting. Rotating head, flat surface cleaner, 25O fan jet with hot or cold pressure washer. 5. The service you choose. Some customers prefer a simple treatment-only job. Others want a full moss removal with a soft wash application and 2-year guarantee. What's actually included? At Alfresco, we keep things simple. You'll always receive 2 clear quotes. Option 1, clean and treat, premium service, hot water pressure washing, using all available jets and flaff surfaces, full rinse, soft wash treatment, safe access, as we have a no-foot policy, gutter clearing, soffit and fascias window, clean debris, tidy up and disposal. Backed by our 2-year moss-free guarantee, patio clean render treatment, plant wash option 2, clean and treat, budget option. Pre-clean at low pressure, clear gutters, treat roof safe access, as we have a no-foot policy. Whichever you choose, the quote includes all access equipment and VAT. There are no hidden charges. All items are shown individually on our home assessment form. What to watch out for? Not all companies offer the same standards. So when comparing prices, it's worth asking a few key questions. Is moss scraped off or just sprayed? Will access equipment be needed, and is it included? Are gutters cleaned as part of the job? Is there any guarantee on regrowth? Unfortunately, we're often called to fix roofs that were poorly cleaned by others. High pressure washing, for example, may seem effective, but it can crack tiles and shorten your roof's lifespan. All of our team members have complete soft wash training. Why choose Alfresco? With nearly 30 years of experience and over 1,000 roofs cleaned locally, we know what works and what doesn't. Here's what sets us apart. Fully trained teams using gentle techniques, cherry pickers and lifts where needed, eco-friendly products that won't harm your garden, live office support Monday to Friday, transparent pricing and proper safety procedures, hundreds of reviews from happy Oxfordshire homeowners. Most importantly, we back every full clean with a 2-year moss-free guarantee. Would you trust a company that offers a 5-year guarantee that's not even been in the roof cleaning industry for 5 years? When's the best time to book? Although roof cleaning can be carried out year-round, we are slower through December and January. What should you do next? The easiest way to get started is to book a home assessment. We'll assess your roof, check access, and give you 2 prices. Package A, Package B. No pressure, no obligation, just clear advice and transparent pricing from Oxfordshire's most rated exterior cleaning company. Final thoughts. Prices range from 1,250, 2,400 plus, depending on size, moss level, and access. You'll receive 2 quote options, basic or premium. All work is done safely, professionally, and includes cleanup. We offer a 2-year guarantee with every full clean. And yes, we answer the phone when you call. Get in touch with Alfresco today to book your free assessment.